What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa. And before you comment, the answer is yes. You better be wearing sunglasses if you want to work here. So anyway, what I've got behind me is a dual motor Tesla Model 3. And this owner wanted every bell and whistle that the factory couldn't give them. So we offered to install it, and we did. I want to show you a little bit about the fun that comes with installing parts from China.
China. You want to buy from China? That's great. Buy from China.
So many of you are familiar with the, Frunk, right? Everybody loves the automatic opening and closing Tesla Frunk. And at many of the shows and for many of the owners, you guys have seen this before. That's no big deal. I'll tell you the one, though, that most people aren't familiar with, and that's the actuating doors. So many of you will remember this automobile from a previous video. Custom wheels, custom calipers, lowered it, whole deal. One of the things that this owner wanted was he wanted actuating door handles. So he brought us an entire kit, and, for the most part, the kit is pretty good. But it does come with its challenges. I'm going to show you what I mean when I say its challenges. Now, these door handles are cool because when you walk up to them, they automatically recognize you and open the door for you. I mean, hey, that is a super cool feature and something that Tesla probably should have done on the automobile themselves, but there are some things left to be desired. So when you walk up to it, it automatically recognizes you, which is awesome. But what I want you to do is I want you to walk with me around to the other side, and let me show you a problem that we identified and are in the process of taking care of. So obviously you're not going to do the frunk and the door handles without also addressing the trunk, and in the trunk of our Model 3 are the OEM motors that are normally used to control many of the functions in each and every one of the doors. One of the things that you're going to see is that they are all almost completely encased in plastic. Well, it seems like Tesla might have done this for a reason, and our manufacturing friends that created some of the technology that we're enjoying on this automobile may have missed one.
I don't knock China. How could I dislike China?
So let's get an opportunity to take a look at what was missing in our Chinese adaptation. Come on. So as you can see in Scott's hand, what's necessary is we need to actually try to seal up a lot of the motor. The motor assembly that was sent is great, but as he rotates it, you're going to notice there is no plastic covering. So when the wires get wet, which unfortunately is the case, clearly Tesla realized that when they covered their motor, it creates a short, and that short leads to the windows, in this example, not going all the way up. When those windows didn't go all the way up, well, clearly on a rainy day here in Florida, that could create a problem. So we're in the process of rectifying that issue right now. So to tell you that that's the only challenge we've faced with this installation would kind of be a lie. We had one motor go out on us. Again, the company that manufactured the parts was nice enough to send everything back. They sent the owner a new motor. We're on motor number 2. We had some really unique challenges with getting the frunk and trunk to open properly, but more importantly, to close properly. Obviously, having to seal everything and a few other little hiccups. Here's the upside. If you're looking at installing a frunk, a trunk, actuating door handles, or if you're interested in dynamating pretty much the entire interior of the automobile, all of these things are things that we've done, and thanks to cars like this one, we've done repeatedly. So for any questions, feel free to comment or to call us here in Central Florida locally, and we'd be more than happy to show you and explain to you how much fun it can be to do it the right way. For more videos, make sure and subscribe to the YouTube page, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Once again, not only are we cranking out the content, but it's what you're asking for. So if you've got something that you'd like to see, feel free to make mention of that also. As always, thanks for the time, and there's a lot more coming from Empire Auto Spa.